Woodworking in 2025 is all about smarter, faster, and more precise tools, especially from woodpeckers. This year's lineup introduces innovative measuring systems, cutting guides, and precision accessories designed to elevate every project. Whether you're a hobbyist or a pro, these next-generation tools deliver unmatched accuracy and efficiency, making woodworking more enjoyable than ever. Simple Set Fence Gauge. The Woodpeckers. Simple Set Fence Gauge is a precision tool designed to make table saw setup faster, easier, and more repeatable. It uses a sliding extendable probe that reaches from the miter slot to the fence, allowing woodworkers to set rip widths and verify blade alignment without relying on the saw's scale. Its patented leaf spring miter bar provides a secure fit in standard 3/8 inch by 3/4 inch slots, while stainless steel rods and brass points extend from 1/2 inch to 19 inches. Built in the US from durable, high-quality materials, it includes 2 gauges and a convenient wall mount storage system. Precision Triangles. The Woodpeckers. Precision triangles are premium layout tools crafted for woodworkers who demand extreme accuracy and long-lasting reliability. Made from 1/4 inch thick cast and ground aluminum tooling plate, they maintain exceptional dimensional stability while delivering precise 90-degree and 45-degree references. Their lay-flat design ensures perfect surface contact for checking cabinet interiors or setting up machinery. Permanent laser engraved scales offer high contrast readability, and the durable red anodized finish resists wear. Functioning as both a square and miter square, these tools provide unmatched versatility. Each set includes a protective wall mountable case and is proudly machined in the USA. BigCal Woodworking Calipers. The Woodpeckers. BigCal woodworking calipers are oversized, precision-engineered measuring tools designed to bring machinist-level accuracy to full-scale woodworking projects. Available in 12-inch and 24-inch capacities, they allow woodworkers to take flawless inside, outside, and depth measurements with perfectly aligned jaws and a dual-function locking nut that prevents any movement. The reverse scale transforms the tool into a depth gauge, while the zero-position setup enables T-square functionality. A built-in scribing notch adds marking convenience, and the rigid stainless steel blade paired with anodized aluminum jaws ensures long-term durability. Each BigCal includes a wall-mountable racket and is proudly made in the USA. Easy drive system for slab flattening mill pro. The Woodpeckers. Easy drive system for the slab flattening mill pro is a major upgrade that transforms manual router carriage movement into smooth controlled hand crank operation. By eliminating the need to push or pull the heavy carriage, it greatly reduces user fatigue and makes slab flattening more precise and consistent. Its cogged belts and synchronized sprockets ensure uniform feed rates, resulting in cleaner cuts and minimal sanding. Designed to fit every slab flattening mill model, the kit includes all necessary belting and installs easily within a few hours. Built in Strongsville, Ohio, it delivers long-lasting performance and reliability. MFT Assembly Square. The Woodpeckers. MFT Assembly Square is a precision-engineered tool designed to streamline setup and assembly tasks on a Festool MFT table. Crafted from solid phenolic plate, it offers exceptional durability, moisture resistance, and long-term stability. Its 20mm location dogs ensure perfect alignment with the MFT grid, allowing fast, accurate positioning of tracksaw guide rails and other equipment. Milled slots enable secure clamping for holding workpieces perfectly square during glue-ups, while the 15-inch sides provide generous reference surfaces for machinery setup. Comfortable handle cutouts and wall-hanging slots enhance usability, and the high-visibility anodized pins make alignment effortless. Jigsaw blade handle. The Woodpeckers. Jigsaw blade handle is a compact precision-focused tool that transforms standard jigsaw blades into a versatile handsaw for fine woodworking tasks. Designed with universal blade compatibility, it accepts T-shank, U-shank, and universal blades, allowing quick swaps through its simple collet system. The handle is machined from aircraft-grade aluminum with a comfortable fatigue-reducing grip. Its durable red anodized body and stainless steel components ensure long-lasting performance. Ideal for flush cutting dowels, cleaning up curved cuts, or working in tight spaces, this portable tool delivers exceptional control and can be kept conveniently in any tool, belt, or apron. Penmill CI. The Woodpeckers. Penmill CI is a precision-engineered carbide insert pen mill designed to deliver perfectly squared pen blanks for seamless pen assembly. Its durable nanograin carbide inserts offer 4 cutting edges each, ensuring long-lasting, razor-sharp performance on hardwoods, acrylics, stabilized woods, hybrids, and non-ferrous metals. The oversized cutter head eliminates halo marks by surfacing the entire blank face, while precision pilot reamers keep cuts perpendicular and clean glue residue from brass tubes. A secure 3-flat chuck design prevents slipping, and each set includes a protective foam-lined case. Proudly made in the USA for professional pen turners. Corner jig. The Woodpeckers. Corner jig is a high-precision router accessory designed to create perfect radiused or chamfered corners with speed and repeatable accuracy. It includes 16 radius templates and 6 chamfer templates, offering unmatched versatility for any project. Compatible with both handheld routers and router tables, it delivers flawless, sanding-free results using a bearing-piloted flush trim bit. Its cast, ground aluminum base ensures stability and durability, while anodized components resist wear. Easily swap templates and compatibility with 1/2 inch to 16-inch workpieces make it ideal for any workshop. A wall-mountable racket keeps everything organized. Polygauge SS. The Woodpeckers. Polygauge SS is a precision multi-angle reference tool designed for quick, accurate setup of woodworking machinery for common polygon angles. Crafted from durable 1/16 inch stainless steel with an anodized aluminum base, it features 5 precisely milled angles: 45 degrees, 54 degrees, 60 degrees, 67.5 degrees, and 75 degrees, with plus or minus 0.0085 degrees accuracy. Dual position functionality allows horizontal use with a raised foot and vertical use with magnetic support, leaving hands free for adjustments. Laser engraved polygon icons provide clear reference, and a custom foam-lined case ensures safe storage. Made in the USA, the Polygauge SS is ideal for precise, efficient woodworking setups. Ultra Shear Juice Groove Bits. The Woodpeckers. Ultra Shear Juice Groove Bits are high-precision router bits designed for creating clean, professional juice grooves in cutting boards with minimal sanding. Their unique chamfer design eliminates sharp edges, improving juice flow and reducing post-cut work. Featuring a 3-flute configuration, they cut smoothly across and with the grain, while premium micrograin carbide ensures a flawless finish. Available in multiple profiles and sizes, including cove and flat bottom grooves, these versatile bits work with any 1/4 inch collet router, CNC or shaper origin. Template ready and American made, they deliver consistent repeatable results for woodworking professionals and enthusiasts alike.